What's up guys, from our new home in the Philippines.
Yes, that's right. We have moved back to Manila into this beautiful apartment in the best neighborhood in the city. Within a 2-minute walk from our building, we have this amazing pedestrian street with every coffee shop, every store, and every restaurant you can think of. It's really a perfect situation. But how did we get here? Over the past few years, we've had a home in Hanoi for 6 months.
Oh, so good.
And then we made a base in Bangkok for a year and a half.
Swanika from Bangkok!
Both cities were incredible experiences and we have absolutely no regrets. But we decided now to settle in Manila for a couple of reasons, which I will explain in this video. First and foremost, it's Deanna's home. Well, kind of. She's originally from a small town in the Bicol region, about 500 kilometers southeast of Manila, but she moved to the city after college and most of her family and friends are around, so it's nice to be with them.
The second reason why we moved here is because we got a dog.
Meet Dudoy, the black-faced, white-bodied, Asian-eyed pug. He's brought us so much happiness and our neighborhood is super pet-friendly. You'll be hearing a lot more about Dudoy very soon. The third reason we came here is because it's a nice change of pace. We just spent 3 months hopping around Europe and it was exhausting. Deanna, where are we?
In Bruges.
Now we can relax in Manila, and of course, living in a new country means new foods, new cultures, new vibes, and it's just really an enjoyable life here. If you've never been to the Philippines before, then you're really missing out. Which leads me to our final reason for moving here. The Philippines is the best overall country in the world. We are living in the beating heart of a nation with 7,641 islands scattered around the Pacific that we can access within a 1-hour flight.
Very good.
Truthfully, I fell in love with this country years before I fell in love with Deanna because of the happiest people, the most beautiful beaches, and the simplest life I'd ever seen. Nowadays, I've been lucky enough to visit the Philippines more than 40 times with Deanna. Spontaneous trip to Palawan! And I'm beyond excited to officially call this country my home. If anyone will be coming by Manila, please let us know and we'd be happy to show you around.
As for now, take care and thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye-bye! I'm Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.